Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how to use Google Alerts. It's a great way for content to be delivered to you automatically. Whatever you might be looking for, whether it's news articles, whether it's how your brand is being used around the web, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it right after this. So to use Google Alerts is very easy. Just go to your browser and type in google.com/alerts. Of course, you have to have a Google account. You have to be logged into that Google account. I'm logged into my Handy Hudsonite account. Let's say we want to search out a keyword just related to the stimulus package, which is very hot right now, very popular. You'll see that it populates articles, recent articles about it. Click here on Show Options, and then we can drill down to exactly how we want this content delivered. As it happens, at most once a day, at most once a week. Let's do as it happens. Sources would be news, blogs, web, video, books, discussion, finance. I'm just going to leave it as automatic since that's the default. The language you want it to, the content delivered in, and then the region, your particular country that you want the content focused in on, and then how many, only the best results or all results. I'll choose all results, and then how you want it to delivered to your email or as an RSS feed. And if you do the RSS feed, you can use powerful tools like IFTTT and other automation tools to put that content exactly where you want it. I'm going to create the alert, and then you'll see here my keyword stimulus. If we click on this pencil, you can edit that alert. You can also delete it here. If I click on this cog, it will show overall settings for Google Alerts, the delivery time, what time of the day I want that to come in. Maybe you don't want to be bothered with these alerts until a certain time of day. A digest, it can put all of the alerts together, and you can get it once a day or once a week if you don't want them coming in real time. So if we go over to my email, my Handy Hudsonite email, we can see that the first alert for stimulus is already in. It'll come in looking like this with one or more content links down below for that particular content, which is stimulus here. If we go back here, we can search out, let's say you have a brand. I'm going to just use my brand, Handy Hudsonite, and I'm curious to know where I'm showing up around the web, where people have used my videos. I'll click on Show Options so that I can see absolutely everything as it happens. I'll leave it at Automatic English, any region, and then All Results. And if I scroll down here, I'll get a preview of where it's being used. Of course, I've got videos that I put up on my own channel, which it's found, which I'm aware of. There are some things that I wasn't aware of. This backyard gnome, where they used my content on their site from one of my videos. Then somebody posted something about me on Pinterest and mentioned me on Twitter. Here's something where somebody used one of my videos on their refrigeration reviews. So scroll down, there it is. There's my embedded video on reset refrigerator, replace water filter indicator light that I made a while back. I'm happy to know that they're using this, and that's where it really draws a lot of attention and traffic to your brand. So in order to keep this alert, I'll create it. There it is, Handy Hudsonite, and it will deliver that content in real time. So that's how you use Google Alerts to have content be delivered to you. And of course, these are just two simple examples for how you use it. If you use Google Alerts, tell me in the comments below ways that you're using it and how it's really helping you to keep track of content, how it's building your brand, or maybe just keeping you up to date on particular news items. And one last thing I want to do is I want to do a quick shout out for a YouTube channel. It's actually my son's channel. His channel is called Decaf Lizard LG. So he's got a gaming channel, and what he focuses in on are a couple of different games, Rocket League and Fortnite videos. So check out his channel, subscribe to it if you're interested in his content. And I really appreciate you watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips like this one, and I will see you in the next video.